dumaasega. Padyan nag-adi ka, pulos linipan. Di ka ninaksit, dito'y puso ken rikna. Apay nga ta, adi ka malipatan. Apay nga ta, adi ka maadaywan. Uray siya tay, inka paspasaktan. Uray ada sa balinga ipang pangrunang. Dagita ikikita lunagin na tuirik na. Amang et nagpaydo maaseg ka. Padyan nag-adi ka, pulos linipan. Di ka ninaksid, dito'y puso ken rikna. Apay nga ta, adi ka malipatan. Apay nga ta, adi ka maadaywan. Uray siya kay, inka paspasaktan. Uray ata sa balinga ipang pangrunam. Apay nga ta, adi ka malipatan. Apay nga ta, adi ka maadaywan. Uray siya kay, inka paspasaktan. Uray ata sa balinga ipang pangrunam. Apay nga ta, adi ka malipatan. Apay nga ta, adi ka maadaywan. Uray siya kay, inka paspasaktan. Uray ata sa balinga ipang pangrunam. Apay nga ta, adi ka malipatan. Apay nga ta, adi ka.
Naanos na singpet apagayam. Aduwa panubok din ak pinaybayan. Aduwa banag inta nagkadwaan. Best friend forever, daytat kayarikan.
Iti aldaw saan na mapupuutan. Imasideg kat abay kung agmaymaysa. Balikas apan nagpakada. Mapankan sa bali adaga. Asinupay itati kamangag. Asinupay ita ti pangibagaak. Iti narway adu a problema. Awan kabadang kun itirigan-rigat. Best friend forever, kanu ka makita. Bamis ko adua kat katawa. Best friend forever, forever, whenever. Sabay ta, di ka mangliplipan.
Naanos, nasimpet, apagayam. Adua panubok di nagpinaybayan. Adua banag inta nagkadwaan. Best friend forever, daytat kayarikam.
Iti aldaw saan na mapupuutan. Imasideg kat abay kung agmaymaysa. Balikas apan nagpakadan. Mapankan sa baliadaga. Asinupay itat di kamangag. Asinupay ita ti pangibagaak. Iti narway adu a problema. Awan kabadang kun itirigan-rigan. Best friend forever, kanu ka ang makita. Mamis ko adua kat katawa. Best friend forever, forever, whenever. Sabay ta, di ka mangliplipat. Best friend forever, kanu ka ang makita. Mamis ko adua kat katawa. Best friend forever, forever, whenever. Sabay ta, di ka mangliplipan. Sabay ta, di ka mangliplipan. Sabay ta, di ka mangliplipan. Best friend.
Damagik man ken ka, no ay ayaten nakmetla. Tang amin jakap-kap ne ka, no di sikatay mangisawa. Adut sayang guseng, kasla di paggugustuhan. Dakinunang kanpay, tsak maibagay kasadyang. Damakik man ken ka, sinutpud mo nga data puso. Tay ka di madamdamag ko, wenno siya piman anano mo. Kaya't kulat manigurado, kaya't kutay napaypayso. Tanarigati maikulbo, numang limlimo taayat mo. Anya ka di iagpayso, al lugar tuy ayat ko. Anya ka di kaikaryan na pudno unay a puso ko. Di mo sawen nga awan, sigurado nga ipatay ko. Ipatay ko ubiyag ko, kinaulpi tanake mo. Dama, kikman ken ka, sinut puno nga data puso. Tay ka di madamdamag ko, wenno siya piman anano mo. Kaya't kulat manigurado, kaya't kutay na paypayso. Tanarigat ti maikulbo, numang limlimo taayat mo. Anya ka di agpayso, lugar tuy ayat ko. Anya ka di kaikarian na pudno unay a puso. Di mo sawen nga awan, sigurado nga ipatay ko. Ipatay ko ubiyag ko, kinaulpi tanakin mo. Anya ka di agpayso, lugar tuy ayat ko. Anya ka di kaikarian na pudno unay a puso. Di mo sawen nga awan, sigurado nga ipatay ko. Ipatay ko ubiyag ko, kinaulpi tanakin mo. Ipatay ko ubiyag ko, kinaulpit tanake mo.
arik na ti bannog ko. Tay ti panaginanak, dito'y Facebook ka ama ka chat. Manay aliw-liwat, ti may ladawan aragsak. Agiyaman ak FB, di inpatek ko na sa pulak. Nupay tawen pinaglabas, dito'y lagip ko di napunas. Asikalaing ayat, akinupkupi ko pak. FB tiga punay tangket na sarakan ka. Napalaos tiragsak ko, agar-agrag uday to'y puso. Kaput Facebook akon ko nata, ket nagsarak ti dalanta. Nang ring dinapayag na idulin arik nata. Rumbeng ka di apatuluyen, uray ken ka tagikuten. Yak maisuro to'y ring na, ubiyag to'y biyag. Kaput Facebook akon ko nata, ket nagsarak ti dalanta. Nang ring dinapayag na idulin arik nata. Rumbeng ka di apatuluyen, uray ken ka tagikuten. Tiyak maisuro to'y ring na, ubiyag to'y biyag. Rumbeng ka di apatuluyen, uray ken ka tagikuten. Tiyak maisuro to'y ring na, ubiyag to'y biyag. Asyak tay sang petan.
anak na kamay sa anak ubre, may palpalais sa bali nga ili. Yubingak nga maladaga, binilbilin nakday dinana, ay anak ko agsingsingpet ka, taing na kun sa bali nga daga. Bumangunak itibigbigat, agin nagaw sipnget ken lawag, iwaras kun dagito'y mata, awan ka na ng ama buy-buyak. Tipon-tipon, nagkakabsat maumuumong, kas kamla nalaylay asabong, kaawan neten di akin puon. Nuin kam ijay eskwela, agsasarunno kam nga agkakaka, kas kamla narpakasanga, kaawan neten di akin bunga. Adu kami nga agkakabsat, siya kun nanang datay nagrigat, siya kun nanang kitay nagsaad, bilang ina nga mangal alwad.
O pangalawang request po, Hula Sisi. Ayan, Hula Sisi.
At kay paman na ito'y barukong ko. Nudi ka mapasang pet, usan na to'y biyak ko. Papapanam, is oras tirabi. Naman sa manin, nag-happy-happy. At barbalik na kanyak siya, tay may si-siya-si. At tapukin ka, at takula sisi. Nung sumangkit ka, di ka agun-uni. Nuwagot ko na, sigat mapiriri. At keba-keba man daytoy barukong ko. Nudi ka mapasang pet, usan datoy biyak ko. Papapanam, is oras tirabi. Naman nga sa manin, nag-happy-happy. At barbalik na kanyak siya, tay may si-siya-si. At tapukin ka, at takula sisi. Nung sumangpit ka, di ka agun-uni. Nuwagot ko na, sigat makiriri. Daytoy dirigat na, nugagot maasam. Ano panwayan na, nagakipati ka unggam. At tapay layo na, asip siputa. Aring na pagkating dati dasip sipusan. Ano na nagalas, nugwabot maasawan. At kakumangkat, narigat di marignam. Sang kadayaw ta, sikat kagasatan. Na nagatot pakat, mamparagsak taringnam.
Meron pa girls sa Stater. Okay, next request, Sukiso. Jonathan, next request is Sukiso.
Kasladyak maaklong, panagapukaw ko. Kakaisun na nga ayat ko. Tiyagman ninamnama, ama sunisog ka, bayat ka awan ko. Narupok man gayam, dayta na kemo, kararwaken puso. Di mo pinanunot, to'y sakripisyo, rigat ko kentuo. sidong na malubusan kang arun ngenudong tengtu aldaw nga agbabawi ka pamakawan ko jak may panamnama nunam nama madinakon kasapulan siya kon tay lipatan naglagi pem awan tinagkurangak ken nagpasulat tatuy ayat nga inpariknak katawan umatap ngantiin subad mo dasaem ken limdo pusok ti sinugatam apkes ken panaas tinaklinakam ken gaaman ang alilaw unarad sakang dita sidong na palubusan kang arun ngenudong tengku aldaw nga agbabawi ka pamakawan ko jak may panamnama nunam nama madinakon kasapulan siya kon tay lipatan laglagi pem awan tinagkurangak ken nagpasulat tatuy ayat nga inpariknak katawan umatap ngantiin subad mo dasaem ken limdo pusok ti sinugatam apkes ken panaas tinaklinakam ken kaaman ang alilaw apkes ken panaas tinaklinakam ken kaaman ang alilaw
Siput pinanawan napukaw metten tuy ragsak puso tinasugat taawanen ni ayat nagpanagak adag sanggasa nagkarika idi kanyak asisyakla ti patpat kem ngim naglabas ti panawen nagbaliw kametten ita saranay kuni sa naulpit kabi ako tinrarem mo daytoy puso linaksit nakit awan mabalin ko agip turak no iso diragsak mo daytoy ngay naramit mo lak amem tumet ubiak nakaman kanya ngem awan maaramidak kastalaeng migasat liday ti inak naragpat naulpit kabiyak ko tenrarem mo daytoy puso linaksid naket awan mabalin ko ang ipturak no iso diragsak mo daytoy ngay naramit mo lak amem tumet ubyak ko naulpit kabiyak ko tenrarem mo daytoy pusok linaksid naket awan mabalin ko ang ipturak no iso diragsak mo daytoy ngay naramit mo lak amem tumet ubyak ko naulpit kabiyak ko tenrarem mo daytoy pusok linaksid naket awan mabalin ko ang ipturak no iso diragsak mo daytoy ngay naramit mo lak amem tumet ubyak ko daytoy ngay naramit mo lak amem tumet ubyak ko siya sikap lipatin mo sunan saan nga na'y kari para ken ka nayuri tagasat mo adanto so papak na di may kaduwang ayat adanto liw
Nuan kinapintas
Narimkan yak ng ibusen, sang-sang itek ni patay, o bulat kitang lunen, nang laylayan ni anya, intakang palas amin, umon ngay budarasen ay iketen. Nuin ka ng ipaten, narimkan yak ng ibusen, sang-sang itek ni patay, o bulat kitang lunen, nang laylayan ni anya, intakang palas amin, umon ngay budarasen ay iketen.
Itaem manjay katuday, bulong na umay payapay, sabong na tisin magaysay, bunga na meten tay kumidakitay, lukumalan mabalin, at balina kumaasingsin, na umay may bisay-bisay, taramramay mo yak kuno mabalin, lukumalan piniaga, urusin ka uray nagamus ka, nakanin ka uray nataka, ketay to'y puso palumen na ka. Dungdunguen kanto, unay-unay, indayulen kanto, itisinamay, tultuluden kanto, nalumamay pagamanin, inkanto maybay. Anay puso, anay na sakin, na upot launay, item kaliyak kapangaran, kakasya ama idasay, apaman na inkanto makatulog, yarpaw kunto tarupang daytoy tanyo, tapno di naka kagaten, tila mukit maimas untuk matulog. Anay puso, anay na sakin, na upot launay, item kaniyak kapangaran, kakasya ama idasay, apaman na inkanto makalitin, dagdagusen kanto sa puyutin, na inini kas may isang gawing kananamem, isang itnesen. Anay puso, anay na sakin, na upot launay, item kaniyak kapangaran, ay takasiyak ama idasay.
kalaygin dagiti un-unoy kumadi kaaklunen taimpagaro kun sa abareng-bareng ulbud dalilaw panangirumen nairuta kariken sa patakawan pancen layas na ka na panagununoy ko di ka pa'y denggen angin na panangguti-gut ko ka pa'y laisen abanangidaнаnes panangirumen kalian gustuin patingin apakabukayan ngay nakaasin tapnun ayat ko pasudien ketagbiagak asitatalingen na irutakarik sa katakawan pancem layas na ka na panagununoy ko di ka pa'y denggen amin na panangguti-gut ko in ka pa'y laisen apanangidananes panangirumen sabong ni Mirasul nakababangman sabong liryot ay kayari ko sabong liryot ay kayari ko ako marayo kadagit pasadya kay tapos suminyari ko pana kay di pusok ket tubunan na kay di pusok ket tinubon na ako marayo kadagit pasadya magpilit ka iti gustuin kada kami kayat mo akunin siya kuweno ni gayem, weno ti katwak, weno siya pinlaen. Tataden na ti mabindaso, ni gamer na darat kentapo. At nagtulang nga may paypayuko, may palpalais kadagitan ito. Sabong ni Mirasul, akababangluan, sabong liryot ay kayari ko. Sabong liryot ay kayari ko ako marayo kadagit pasadya kay tapos suminyari ko pala kay di puso ket tubon na kay di puso ket tinubon na ako marayo kadagit pasadya pagpili ka iti gusto kada kami kayat mo ako siya kuweno ni gayem weno ti kadwak weno siya pinlaen kataden nagdi maminggasun igamer na darat kentamo at nagtulang may paypayong ko may palmalais na dagitan ko sabong Mirasul akababangluan sabong liryot ay kayari ko sabong liryot ay kayari ko ako marayo kadagit kasadya kay tapos suminyari ko pana kay di puso ket tumunin na kay di puso ket tinubon na ako marayo kadagit kasadya agpili ka iti gustuin kada kami kayat maaklunen siya kuweno ni kayem weno ti kadwak weno siya pinlaen tataden nakdi maminggasun igamer nagdarat kentapo at nagtulang nga may paypayugpong may palpalais na dagitan ko.
Iyang may sa kan kanayong laen
ser-serbina nasamit alangen-langen ta awan amok anak ka basulaken ka ditaden na awan nagbasula ta inaramid kumet amin pagragsaka ngeman niya insubad mo sinagtamlaeng to'y puso di mo inilala na puno nga ayak ko taring kanya ungkat tinalikudan martir a puso na ikala anya pa'y ti ser-serbina nasamit alangen-langen ta awan amok anak ka basulaken ka dita den na awan nagbasula was kan ni ayat nang keltay kadagiti arapaan nagbasula ta inaramid kumet amin pagragsaka ngemanyat insubad mo sinagtamlaeng to'y puso di mo inilala na pudno nga ayat ko karing kaniya ka tinalikudan martir a puso na ikala anya pa'y ti ser-serbina nasamit alangen-langen ta awan ammo anak ka basulaken ka
Naprapan ng apay ita kalanga at para sinapsapul ka, hindi ka man lang makita. Pimanaw ka, imbatinag ngag may mansa. Ani at di mo kinaya, wenuin ka kinagura. Napnapan ng apay ita kalanga at para sinapsapul ka, hindi ka man lang makita. Pimanaw ka, imbatinag ngag may mansa. Ani at di mo kinaya, wenuin ka kinagura. No umakan, no umakakadik, kaapay akasta ka, diyak ka din napatikin ka. Naragsak ka kadin, adinak makita, minamaag nga ayat, ang angaw sa sarita. Napnapan ng apay ita kalanga at para sinapsapul ka, hindi ka man lang makita. Pimanaw ka, imbatinag ngag may mansa. Ani at di mo kinaya, wenuin ka kinagura. No umakan, no umakakadik, kaapay akasta ka, diyak ka din napatikin ka. Naragsak ka kadin, adinak makita, minamaag nga ayat, ang angaw sa sarita.
Ada aktitude at dakatita, ada yunay nagbaetan ta. Tsaka mo no kasano ka, no sumipnge balagip na ngata. No bukod mo tay siksika, buy-buyaem kad letrato ta adwa. Di mo kadila marikna, ay di bara ayat kuken ka. Tapnon si katay di unay maila, alaem sursurat ko tain ka agbasa. Ngemno di mapnek tarik nang agdayal ka, tumawag ka. Ururayet tatawag mo biyag ko, tapnon may katanday ta iliw mo. Payam ngayem kas puti, I love you. Sikalat
malaglagip ko. Adaak ditoy, adakat tita, adayunay nagbaetan ta. Diyak amo no kasano ka, no sumipngit malagip na nga ta. No bukod mo'y tay siksika, buy-buyaem kad letrato ta adwa. Di mo kadila marikna, day di barat ayat ko ken ka. Ururayet tatawag mo biyak ko, tapnon may katanday ta iliw mo. Bayam ngayat kaskuti, I love you. Sikalat malaglagip ko. Ururayet tatawag mo biyak ko, tapnon may katanday ta iliw mo. Bayam ngayat kaskuti, I love you. Sikalat malaglagip ko. Sikalat malaglagip ko. I love you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high.
to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.